everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. So today is Sunday, a Martin Luther King weekend, and I have tomorrow off, and I am enjoying my weekend. So yesterday, my daughter and I went to a place that has cats up for adoption, and you can go there and you can cuddle them for a fee. So we did that yesterday, and today I went to a candle making workshop. So I'm trying to keep busy on weekends, and besides my little YouTube channel. And I do have a Stitch Fix freestyle haul, 4 different pairs of pants. Now you're gonna be like, Carolyn, aren't you supposed to be on a no buy? Well, I kind of made an exception for this. If you might remember, my mother-in-law gave me a nice gift for my birthday, some Stitch Fix gift card, and I bought some stuff, kept some stuff, but then I bought and returned a bunch, and I had to wait for those credits to come back. And once I had credit, I then purchased a whole bunch more. Now, the one thing I do have to say, I did go above the gift card. So I had like $6 left, and then I ordered another pair of pants. But I'm saying, it's okay, Carolyn, you can do that, because I know not all 4 pairs of these pants are gonna work. All right, so let me go through all of them one by one. And like I said, I know for a fact all these 4 are not going to work. This first one is a pair of BlankNYC, and the description is what I saw on the website. The Pante Flare zipper back pant. So I'm thinking a thick fabric flare pant, and of course they have it on the model. So I get these, and you know, it's Pante, but not very thick Pante, all right? So, I mean, I guess it's thick. It's almost kind of like an elasticy feel. They have the split leg, which I did not realize they did, all right? They didn't explain that. And the zipper back is not a zipper. This is to me is the strangest thing. It's like a tie, and it's gonna make my hiney look ruched. So this is not what I was expecting at all, a ruched rear end. I will try them on for you, but that is not an area that I want to draw attention to at my age. Moreover, they're extremely long. Usually when I look at pants, I do always try and look to see the length, because as soon as it says 34, I shy away. This looks like it's a 34-inch length, and there's no way I can fit into these. These look really long, but I'll give them a shot. I will style them for you. You can laugh with me about that. So that's that. The next pair is by Ichi. Now, I had gotten a blazer from Front Door Fashion by Ichi that I really liked, and I thought it was the same pattern as this, but I don't think it is. This is almost like a black and a brown. I'll bring it closer so you can see, plaid. And they're calling this the Kate Chameleon pant, all right? So these, again, are like a Pante knit type, or knit fabric. There's an elasticized waist in the back, front and flat in the front. There are 2 faux pockets in the back, and they are probably a skinny leg. All right, so I'll give these a try on. These look okay. We'll have to see what they look like on. You know what? I think no, the ones I got a pair of black ones that they were different. They were joggers. So we'll try these on and see how they look, but I'm not so sure about these either. So we'll see. All right, next pair, spoiler alert, I tried these on already, and I really like these. These are by Sanctuary. And, these are in an extra small, right? And the Pante ones from BlankNYC are in a 0. All right, and these by Sanctuary are an extra small, and spoiler alert, I tried these on already, and I think I'm gonna keep these. These are a green and I believe black checked. They're by Sanctuary, and they're called the Carnaby Kick Crop Pant in green. All right, so I'll style all these for you. I think they're cute, and I think I'm gonna keep these. All right. Next pair I got, and I know that these won't work for me. I'd be shocked. These are a linen or linen blend pant from Democracy. They're high rise, okay? You see the color. In an extra small, and they're called the High Rise Self Tie. And by the way, there is no tie on this. All right, High Rise Self Tie, no tie. It's just an elasticized waist. Patch pocket linen palazzo pant. All right, so yes, it has the patch pockets in front. It has faux pockets here in the back. And I don't mind a Palazzo pant, but I mean, I think these are just gonna swallow me up in terms of the size of the leg. But again, I will try on. And you know, one of the things I liked about this is even though they're linen, they're like a brown, like a brick color, like a brownish, rustish color. I was thinking because of the color, I could possibly even get away in wearing these in the winter with a dark sweater maybe. All right. All right, give me a minute. I'm gonna do a try on and you guys can put in your 2 cents. Okay, first up are the Linen Blend Palazzo pants, and I'll try and back up so you can see the full effect of these things. They are just unfortunately way too big on me. They're too big in length. They're just, I know they're supposed to be wide leg, but they're just swallowing me alive. And even the waist is too big. It's an elasticized waist and I would be holding them up. So unfortunately, these are not going to work for me. They're a very nice pants, very comfortable. You know how sometimes linen is scratchy. This is not because it's a linen blend. I can see them, they're warm enough to wear in the winter, like 40 degrees and above, I would say. And I would say definitely cool enough to wear in the summer. They're a lovely color. I would do like neutrals in the summer, like a, maybe like an ivory crochet sweater. And like I said, in the winter, I made a black turtleneck with them in order to make it more winterized. But they're a nice pant. I have on my black mules with them. Not that you can actually see the mules because the pant legs are dragging on the floor. So unfortunately, these are going back, but I highly recommend these if you are interested in them. Again, they're by BlankNYC. And I do put all my links down below. You can go to, if you are a customer Stitch Fix, you can click the link and you can, you know, purchase it via freestyle if it's still available. All right, give me a minute and I'm gonna put on the next outfit. Okay, next up are the green Kickflare pants. Now I paired with it, and I'll show you in just a minute, the pants, this sweater, which is a green sweater, but a darker green. And I'm not so sure it goes with these pants. I'm gonna look back at the footage and see how I like it with the pants. What I may have been doing is pairing this also with black as well. All right, so standing back so you can see the pants. You can see they're a crop style. They hit me like pretty much right above my ankle. They're completely pull-on, elastic waist, pair of leggings. Very soft and comfortable, perfect for my work-at-home lifestyle. I can dress it up, and I mean, to me, this is like a nice outfit to go out in too. So it's comfortable at home, and I can also go out in. And they're definitely different, these pants. I do have a pair of Sanctuary wide leg tan and black houndstooth, but this is obviously, even though they're leggings and they're Sanctuary, it's a different silhouette and a different pattern. Yeah, I think I like these. Again, completely plain in the back. And yeah, I like these. And yeah, they're leggings, but I don't think they're more of a pant knit versus a legging, so I don't feel the need to cover up, you know, and make a tunic style. And that is it for these, okay? Give me a minute and I'll try on the next pair of pants. Okay, up next are the Ichi pants, and I am not certain. So put in your comments below as to whether or not you think I should keep these pants. I do know that these were the cheapest of the ones that I got. I think they were $68. I'm not 100% positive. They have pockets here. They have pleating, which is never very favorable on me due to my hips. I think it might be pulling just a tad here and puckering, and I don't know if that is a good look or not. The pockets are lying flat though, so I wish they didn't have these pleats. I'm not so sure this is a good look for me. And again, it's, you know, I'm trying to look, I guess it's brown and black, so I paired it with this brown sweater. And I'll step back, I paired it with my loafers that are from Sun and Stone from Macy's. They're a dark burgundy color, not quite brown, and like a patent leather style. But even though they're not brown, I think it works with this. So let me know your thoughts on these pants and the outfit. I don't know what I'm doing with the pants. I'll have to look back at the footage myself and see how they look. So this is the front, and this is from the side. I think it's lying flat. I'm just not so sure that the pleats are doing me any favors. All right, I'll come a little bit closer so you can look. Back up a little bit. Maybe I can pan down. So pan down. Okay. Okay, up next are the BlankNYC pants, and these are an easy no, all right? For starters, they're like dragging on the floor for me. I don't know if you can see that, but they're completely dragging on the floor. Second, I do like this Kickflare style, But honestly, I have one pair of jeans, and for me, I think that's enough, because I don't think it's a trend that is going to last, and then I'm not going to want to wear them. Like I said, I do like it. It's just that, you know, how much of it can you have? Moreover, it's, you know, going to be kind of cold, you know, with the Kickflare in the winter. So this is a no from just that alone, length alone. The other issue with it is that it's just way too high rise on me. So it's probably about 2 inches past my belly button. And I mean, if I get them up higher, they'd be like literally under my bust, okay? And there's just too much room here in the crotch, because again, I'm only 5'2" and I'm short. However, I hike them up in the back, right? The front, I mean, and in the back, it's not going higher. It almost makes me think that this portion should be in the front, and it could be possibly that I have these on backwards. I will try them on the other way for you, but they're supposed to be a zip back is what they're calling it. And this is the back, and this is where the string is. I'm not so sure. So let me try these on the other way. There are actually tags on both sides of this, so it's kind of hard to tell. But let me try it on the other way and see if it has any better of a fit, and then we can take a look at them. Give me a minute. Okay, now I don't think they're supposed to be on this way either. These are just some ill-fitting pants. Again, there's just way too much in length. This looks ridiculous within the front. I think it probably looks just as ridiculous when it was in the back. I have no idea what this is about. I was thinking when I was getting these pants, I was getting like a zip pant in the back. Like the pant had a zipper that was covered in the back, and you just zipped them up and they were a pant knit. That's what I thought. I didn't know that there were going to be these splits down the side. These totally did not meet my expectations of what I thought I was getting. Definitely going back. I almost want to think that maybe the wrong label was even put on these pants. I never talked about the blouse. The blouse is years and years old from White House Black Market. And it's a nice pretty purple with a scroll print on it. I'll come closer so you can see. Okay. And yeah, that's how I paired it. And again, with my mules, which you can't see because the pants are literally dragging on the ground. Well, thank you again for returning subscribers. I appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, what's holding you back? Just click that notification bell to get notified of future videos from me, and give me a thumbs up. And let me know what you guys think about those Ichi pants. Should I keep them or should I return them? Take care, and until next time.